This is our K7 750 track bike, and we are trying to rebuild it so that we can go on the track with it. So this bike has been standing for long. Let's watch this video and see what I still need to do on this bike to get it running. You might be asking yourself, why a 750? Don't forget, the nice part about a 750 is got a 600 engine, but with a little bit more power. And don't forget, this one doesn't have traction control, no ABS, so that will not get into the way. I really want this bike to be a beast. Do you think that it's possible? Let's see. And this is our 2007 GSXR 750 that we have to get started, basically like a minor rebuild. Well, it's not really a rebuild. Just have to put in a battery, put on tank fairings, not tank fairings, put on the tailpiece fairings, put on the belly and the front nose piece. But this is a track bike, so with it being a track bike, I know definitely we don't have to put on that many stuff. This is going to be a full build, aka full restoration of this 2007 750, and we have to also go to the track and actually test it out. So first we're going to put in the battery, try to get it cranked up. If it doesn't crank up, we'll probably have to see exactly why I don't want to crank up until we get to a point where we're able to go to the track with it. Because unfortunately, I'm really scared of riding with stroker lips on the track. You know, I've seen a lot of dudes riding with their bonies on the track and they just, you know, completely just wipe out. So I don't want that. This is our road bike. I don't want to do that on a road bike. That's the exact same reason why we have this one right here. So what we're going to do, probably we're going to have to also do up this whole garage and just tidy up completely so that we have way more space to be able to do this bike and way more that you still have planning to get onto the channel. So that means having to get all this stuff right here. This stuff has to go all to the scrapyard to sort through all these spares that I've had. And you guys know most I sell spares. So also in these containers, these here, we've got camping stuff from the last time we went out. There's some extra products. So, and then obviously this one here, this is going to be our delivery bike slash training bike. So people, when they want to learn how to ride, probably going to teach them on this for now. So that also needs to get started up properly. I know we had a bit of a rectify issue. It wasn't charging up properly the last time, so then we ended up replacing that. But the other time when I tried to crank it up, it didn't want to crank up. So I'm also going to put in a battery, same as the type of battery that we're going to have up in there. I went out and bought the Enertech battery from Mohale Batteries. Coming through to buy battery and then show you how good, like the type of service that these guys give, which is amazing, honestly. I'm gonna also buy a motorcycle battery for my K7 750 as well. GSXR 750 as well. Alright, shop.
Which one? The better one? Cheaper one?
The better one.
Enertech 610.
Yeah. So there we go.
GSXR 750 to YT12A-VS.
Yes.
Got stock.
Nice. That one, yeah. So what's the difference in the brands that you guys provide?
Enertech is my main supplier. It's top of the range.
Yeah.
So it's part of Energizer. They've been on the market 40 years.
Yeah.
And all of my Enertech batteries, we need to be dealer approved, especially on the newer cars. So Enertech, Supervolt and Unitech is the only three that's dealer approved.
Yeah.
So we need to keep dealer approved batteries, and these are top of the range.
Right.
I've been dealing with Enertech myself personally for about 16 years.
16? Damn, that's long. Okay. So there we go. There we go. Yeah. We've got that stuff. So now I'm going to pull out the Jigsaw with the X-Ramp glider. If you guys want any product from X-Ramp, it makes this glider and way more for motorcycles. So if you want this glider, let me know in the comment section. I'll hook you up quick and easy. So I'm going to pull it up with that glider, hook up the battery. Then after hooking up the battery, then we're going to try to get it started. If you don't want to start, we're going to try to find out exactly what's happening. We might not be able to find out or see what's happening with it in this very video, because it is relatively quite late and I had to make this video tonight. Then whatever issue that I'm having right now, you guys will probably see it then in the comment section. You must comment below if you guys know exactly what might be going on with the Bony. So let's get it, baby. This bike is gonna get me so dirty. This bike has been standing for long, like for long. But we're trying to get it started up. You can see it's just full of dust. And we're probably just going to try to start it up for now, and then we're going to clean it up probably in the next video, do like a full-on clean, and we're probably going to have to do a service, because I don't remember the last time the oil in this motor was actually changed, which is not a good thing. So even now I'm kind of anxious right now to hook up a battery and then try to get it started, not knowing what's the state of the oil in the motor. But one thing I can do is that I can try to get it cranked up. Once it fires, then switch it off. Then after that, I can get an oil filter and new oil. Well, I've got oil already. I just need a new oil filter, and then after that I should be good, because I'm damn sure that the air filter, because it does have a racing air filter, that I know for sure, the air filter still should be good, and the spark plugs should still be good. Battery, so I'm gonna be speaking slightly louder. Oh yeah, that's a HM quick shifter that we do have in the Boni. These bikes, you know, they do not come with quick shifter or auto blipper because of the year model. They have a ride by wire and not a fly by wire. So the throttle body is actually controlled by cable as compared to being controlled by electronics. So yeah, so there's the battery. That's the brand new battery that you got from the Honey Batteries. They obviously put the serial number on there just so that they can track it to see if it's still under warranty, if the battery was to have an issue. Let's go, baby. So these are the bolts that actually just hold the battery terminals in place. I actually love these Enertech batteries for sure. I have a set in the S1K. No issues. Even now, it's still rolling solid. Oh yeah, there I dropped the thing. So I've got a nice little trick that I do or make with these things. I take a little cardboard box and I actually put it at the bottom, and then I take these lugs or these things and then put it on top of the cardboard box and don't slide out, because once you just chuck these like that at the bottom, they have a tendency of sliding out. But when I actually do it, I'll make another video just to show you guys exactly how we do it, baby. There's a negative or negative, positive, positive. There's positive, that's there. So I'm gonna put it in like this. There we go, perfect size. Alright, chuck one in there, chuck another one in there. There we go. Now I want you, there's a huge debate on this. A lot of people just don't understand. I don't know, or maybe I have the wrong mentality. Which terminal do you connect first? Do you connect positive or negative terminal when connecting a battery? Bloody, there we go. Now it's time to fire it up and see what's going on. Click on the key. It's alive! It's alive! There we go. It sounds like it's priming. Hopefully there's gas. Oh, the last time I checked there was gas. So now let's try to fire it up and see what happens. There we go. So I think it just needed like a little boost. A little boost. Okay. So it sounds it's starting and doesn't sound too bad. The motor doesn't sound too bad at all. In the next video, what we're going to be doing, we're probably going to be ripping apart and then taking out the oil, putting in new oil, putting a new oil filter, and then what I'm going to do the next time is probably just start it up, let it run up to temperature. Let's see if there's any other issues that's actually running with it. We're going to get the shifter fitted again properly, then probably try to check if the shifter is working sharp and everything, and then maybe just take a few laps around my neighborhood and just make sure that it's actually sharp, riding lekker. But as I said, this is a track bike, guys. It's not going on the road, so please do not ask me questions and say, hey, so when are you going to ride this thing on the road? I'm not going to ride on the road, sugar lips. But as you know, you got bat cut slick tires, so yeah, that should be good. And for some odd reason, I see that like on the top yoke there's oil, and obviously I'm thinking the only place that oil will be coming from is from these caps on the forks. So, and it's on both sides, because even here, check, there's like, look here. So now maybe I need to check these caps as well. And these actually were dropped by my previous mechanic. So the last time I heard that it was actually dropped too far in. I'll just have to check that out. And we obviously got a Olin's rear shock over here. I'm just not sure which series or what's it called, but an Olin's rear shock over there. We got that there. So I think I'm gonna end up having to rip it out and then getting it regassed and re-sleeved, and I heard a whole lot of stuff that just needs to be done to it. So let's just check if it starts again. Not bad. Can you hear that idle? Or maybe it's petrol. I'll fill it up with petrol tomorrow and see if it does the same thing. But let's listen to this. Oh. Oh. That doesn't sound convincing at all. But tomorrow I'll go get some gas, pour it in the tank, and then see. I think it's actually running out of petrol. I'm hoping and pray it's running out of petrol actually. If it's not that, then yeah, more issues that we need to sort out now. If you've made it this far in this video, you know, guys, please clap a like, clap a follow, put in a comment. And I need all this stuff. I need to start getting paid from all this. I need to start making even more money as compared to what I've been making. I haven't been making that much actually, just to be honest with you, but I need to get brand new bikes. I need to get a brand new track bike. Another one, I actually want to keep this one. This one, I like it a whole lot, but I definitely need to get a brand new S1K as well. And then believe me, all that's going to come with wicked, insane content. Imagine the content I'm putting out right now as it is with what I have right now. And believe me, I'm completely grateful. Believe me, I'm not saying I'm not, but I'm just saying if we were to flex up with your guys' help, I'm telling you, everything is going to be epic. Another way that you guys can actually support me is actually buying some of my merch and some of the products that we sell, especially X-Ram products. That's for sure, baby. So, yeah, in the next video, catch y'all. Love you. Peace.